Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable dual connection connect second device for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. So right here I have a first device what connected with the headphones and also have an application, and second do not connect it with the headphones. We need to use the first device to firstly enable dual connection, so open Philips headphones application and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. After that go to the settings at the right bottom, and at the second line we have multi-connection. You need to enable this mode. And now we can connect these earbuds with a second device. On your second device, go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. Then put your earbuds to the charging case, and do not close the case. Inside the charging case we have a connection button. You need to press and hold this connection button until the LED light near to it start blinking white and blue. So press and hold. Here we go. We just enter to print mode, so we see them at the device list. At the second device, tap on them, and now we connect the second device. Also, we need to check is it still connected with the first device, so go to the settings and Bluetooth or connected devices, and yes, right here we have connection, so we just connect both devices with the headphones. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!